Hi there, I'm Sharon Kenny, the matchmaker.ie, and I've been matchmaking now for 12 years. I started when my marriage broke up, so I understand what people have been through and the experience they have. I want to share my experience with you to teach you as quickly as possible how to get over those bumps and how to get into a validated, wonderful, strong relationship with your other half. When I was single and looking for someone, I met this fabulous guy, and what drew me to him was his confidence. Confidence is everything, but to get your confidence, you need to know your story. Sorry, I'm just going to pick up my puppy here. Misha, come here. This is Misha, our little rascal. You heard her squeaking in the background. What she wants to do is just play and have some fun. So if you want to meet the match of your life, to play, have some fun, for a long-lasting, genuine relationship, come to me, Sharon Kenny, the matchmaker.ie. What I will do is, I will show you and teach you your story, like with her, you know, last minute picking her up and having a bit of cuddles with her or whatever. I will show you and teach you and help you get your story right, that you can meet the love of your life and not feel that you're stumbling and stopping, and you will have your story to tell. Thanks for joining me. Click below. I'll give you free advice, no obligation. Bye for now.